Hi guys, how are you? I hope all is well. A number of you have been asking me questions about brain health and about optimal nutrition for your brain and the mind. I know we have a number of students who are in the group, and we've got people who have had challenges with depression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a few tips now. If you're not a member, go into silverslim.com and subscribe, and then you'll receive all the free newsletters and videos that go into brain health and nutrition for the brain in more depth. But what I'll give you some tips now, as I mentioned before. The most important nutrient for your brains is glucose. Okay? Now, for your nervous system and your brain, glucose acts as a fuel basically. Now, when we eat carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, which gets sent to the cells throughout our bodies and our brains. And the brain uses up more glucose than any other organ in the body. Okay? And 40% of the carbohydrates that we eat are used up by the brain. Now, from a mental health point of view, when we get issues like dizziness, insomnia, poor concentration, forgetfulness, excessive thirst, depression, crying spells, blurred vision, a lot of this is to do with the fact that there's an imbalance in a supply of glucose to the brain. Okay, so basically, the more carbohydrates you're eating and the more frequently you're eating them, the more effectively your brain is going to work. However, this doesn't apply to any kind of carbohydrate. Okay, it's important that you realize that some carbohydrates are better than others. And the type of carbohydrates I would advise you to use in your diet more, especially if you suffer from those symptoms mentioned earlier, is complex carbohydrates. Okay, and they need to be slow releasing carbohydrates. And an example of this can be whole grains, vegetables, beans, or lentils, okay? But one thing I think that is quite easy for people to incorporate into their diets on a weekly basis is brown rice. Now, brown rice helps your body to do exactly what it's designed to do. It digests the rice, it breaks it down into the glucose, and releases this energy steadily and gradually. So that's the key, guys. If you've got any mental health issues, okay, or if you're a student studying, you need to keep that flow of glucose to your brain consistent, okay? And the best way to do this is to use complex carbohydrates. And over the next week or month, try using brown rice in your diets a couple of times a week to replace white rice, and you'll be amazed at how more efficiently and effectively your brain starts working. Okay, any more questions, send me an email to john@silverslim.com, jon@silverslim.com. I'm going to talk to you quickly about the Spread the Word competition. Yet again, there seems to be a little bit more confusion. To take advantage of the competition to win the Marks and Spencer's vouchers, you have to be a member at silverslim.com. All you need to do is go to silverslim.com, type in your name and email address in the right-hand opt-in box on the page, and then you can enter. Now, some people who are members of silverslim.com are actually using the Facebook group, okay, to generate interest to then send their people to silverslim.com to register. But you've got to be a registered member at silverslim.com to actually take part in the competition, okay? Now, I'm going to be sending out a message later on today to all of the subscribers on silverslim.com. So if you're interested in winning some Marks and Spencer's vouchers and you use the internet daily, go over to silverslim.com, register on the site, and then I will send you that email. You should get it at about 7 o'clock this evening, okay? But any further questions, go to jon@silverslim.com, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to respond. Okay, take care, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.